Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Valve Control Asm part #WB21X38549. GE Valve Control Asm part #WB21X38549 is a replacement part for GE refrigerators. It is a valve control assembly that helps regulate the flow of water into the refrigerator. The valve control assembly consists of a solenoid, a diaphragm, and a pressure regulator. The solenoid is an electromagnet that opens and closes the valve when power is applied to it. The diaphragm is a flexible membrane that helps regulate the pressure of the water entering the refrigerator. The pressure regulator helps maintain consistent water pressure in the refrigerator. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to repair a symptom where the valve control assembly is not functioning properly. Symptoms may include the oven not heating evenly, or not heating to the correct temperature. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power to the appliance before beginning installation. 2. Remove the screws that secure the valve control assembly to the appliance. 3. Disconnect any wiring harnesses connected to the valve control assembly. 4. Install the new valve control assembly and secure it with screws. 5. Reconnect any wiring harnesses to the new valve control assembly. 6. Plug in the power to the appliance and test for proper operation of the new valve control assembly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.